Hello and welcome back. In this video we're looking at the 3-tier wire kitchen cart with bamboo top shelf from Lowe's. Originally purchased in July of 2018, it's still available today. In this video we'll go through the assembly and show you how it looks today. Each shelf can support 150 pounds. The chrome finished steel provides durability and strength and is easy to clean. The entire unit measures 24 wide by almost 20 inches deep and 38 inches tall. The kit includes a wire basket, 2 shelves, and a bamboo for the top shelf. The included plastic spacers provide 1-inch shelf adjustment. Although no tools are required, I would recommend a rubber mallet or a small hammer or the palm of your hand to convince some of the parts to fit together. Also included are a pull handle and 4 swivel 3-inch caster wheels, which make it easy to move the cart around. 2 of the casters can be locked to prevent cart movement. We'll start off assembly by attaching the casters to the bottom pole that has the thread on the inside. Use the included wrench to snug the caster, but do not over tighten. Do this for the remaining casters. Now grab matching spacers, making sure that they are aligned with the arrow pointing to the top. Decide what height you desire the wire basket at, and then snap the 2 halves closed onto each leg, making sure that all 4 spacers are at the same height. Take the wire basket, slide it over the legs onto the spacers, covering them. Now grab a pole with the thread on the outside and fasten it to the pole that you just attached to the caster. Do the same for the remaining 3 poles. Again, as we place spacers onto each of these legs, set them at the desired height. Take the next wire shelf, place it over the poles, slide down until the spacers are concealed. This is where a mallet or the palm of your hand might come in handy. For the end handle, we'll need to attach spacers to 2 of the end poles at the desired height. Then we grab the handle and look it over. Whichever side looks best, use that as your top side, then slide it over the poles, again covering the spacers. With that in place, we finally add spacers at the very top of each of the poles, and then we grab the last wire shelf and slide over the spacers, concealing them. All that remains is to add the bamboo top, and that only fits one way, so make sure to align that with the poles. Of course, you can opt not to use the bamboo top and repurpose it as a cutting board in your kitchen. When completed, this is what your cart should look like. Now, 6.5 years later, our cart continues to provide needed storage in our small kitchen, including a place for the microwave. The casters make it easy to clean along the baseboard, and the handles are great for holding dish towels. For us, this was a great purchase for our small kitchen as we gained much needed storage space and we freed up some counter space by being able to put the microwave on top of the cart. If you found this video interesting or useful, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, join the subscription team, and as always, thank you ever so much for watching.